Alright, so the last video you could see all 4 tires spinning. I actually have it in low lock, and it was in first gear, just idling and turning. It really wasn't, it didn't seem like it was high centered. I dug out, well, this is all soft around there, but I dug all that out. Well, I'll probably dig a little bit of that out, but I dug out around the insides all the way around. It didn't really seem like much was, like nothing was really catching up on the A-arms back here. I mean, the driver's side, it was kind of in the snow a tiny bit, but I almost think it's the curvature of the tires, and that's where the snow was. And as the tires turning, the tread dug out, but then the smoothness of the sides on the curve just was sitting there spinning while it was being cradled by the ice. Well, not really ice. Well, yeah, so not hard ice, but obviously. So I think that's probably what was going on. It's the design of the tires and that curve after the tread. It creates like a little pocket for the tire to sit on the ice. Snow, ice, whatever. So I'm gonna dig this out right here a little bit, just because, and I mean, I should be fine at that point. I didn't really think it was gonna be a big deal. I already turned around from where I originally went. So I'm like, okay, there's a little bit of, so I came down that one there. I'm not really looking forward to going back up that, but I already have tracks with it compressed, so I'll probably be okay. But you know, it's like things are thawing out. As you can see, it's most all this stuff is melted, and so I thought, okay, you know, a foot or so of snow, but then it's just going to go down to the dirt. But yeah, I think it's the curvature of the tires. So I should be okay now. I guess we'll see. Oh, you know what? I have a tripod. You know what? Let me go grab that. I'll pause this. All right. Well, I got the tripod set up over here. Wipe the sweat off my face and my glasses. And yeah, I mean, it should come right out now. I guess we'll see. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's what it had to have been. This curvature right here. Well, actually, I have some ice that's kind of sticking to the sides there a little bit. Anyways, but yeah, I bet you that's what it was. It's the curvature right here that's smooth and doesn't get any grip. Then I had these little guys. I don't know if those even help at all. Oh yeah. Well, here's the evidence of what I was saying. I was right. See that right there? See, that's all nice and smooth. Look at this over here. I didn't actually go and dig it out after because I set up the phone and then just said fuck it, but So this is hard. That's hard right there now from where the tire. Oh, that was actually ice way down at the bottom. So that sure didn't help. Oh, okay. Ah. See the little twig? Yeah, so I went down. So I don't know. It probably was a combination of this, because you can clearly see how that's all smoothed out. But then I was sitting on ice. So that's the curvature right here. And what's this right here? Ice block. Yeah. Anyway, so that, yeah, I was sitting right on that little shit right there. Little fucker. Up here, let's see. I don't think I was on ice over here. Doesn't look like it. But I was in the back. Well, here's some ice here. Yeah. Yep, there's some ice there. Okay. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Yeah. So I don't know what was more of the culprit, the ice or the curvature of the tires. Probably both. Well, there we go. That's the video for the day, huh?